It's kids' heaven. Today we read and know about 10 colors. Name. Red. This color is red. Orange. This color is orange. Yellow. This color is yellow. Green. This color is green. Blue. This color is blue. Black. This color is black. Pink. This color is pink. Purple. This color is purple. Brown. This color is brown. Gray. This color is gray. It's time to repeat with me. Red. Red. Orange. Orange. Yellow. Yellow. Green. Green. Blue. Blue. Black. Black. Pink. Pink. Purple. Purple. Brown. Brown. Gray. Gray. Like, share, and subscribe. It's kids' heaven. Take care. Bye.